All right, so today I'm going to show you how to actually build trading bots from anywhere in the world, your laptop, whatever, dude. You just need a laptop and some Wi-Fi. Now, the process I teach here is the RBI system. Simply because if you go here and you try to build a bot right away, you're probably building it with a strategy that does not work. Okay, so the RBI framework for algo trading is simple. Process of automating your trading starts with research. Research of trading strategies, then you backtest those strategies to see if they actually work in the past. If they do, they're not guaranteed, but they're much more likely to work in the future. They're not guaranteed though. So it's kind of a numbers game. Comes down to RBI, research, backtest, then implement. So everybody wants to build a bot right away. They're like, oh, I got a dope bot I want to build. Okay, let me go ahead and build this bot. Let me go ahead and learn how to code and then go ahead and build this bot. Okay, boom. I did that too, and that's not the way, dude. That's not the way. You got to make sure it actually works in the past first, in my opinion. So R stands for research. Again, it's RBI, research, backtest, implement. Research trading strategies and alpha generation techniques. You can use Google Scholar to read academic papers, people much, much smarter than I. You can read books of traders who are much better at trading than I am. Podcasts, listen to chat with traders, listen to 300 different angles of trading. Unlimited ideas, dude. YouTube. You could even search Twitter, dude. Backtest. Backtesting is using open, high, low, close volume data in order to see if the strategy actually works in the past. If it works in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future, but it's not guaranteed. And then you implement. So this is a scientific process that will keep you away from losing money because it's free. Research and backtesting is 100% free, and you learn a very, very great skill to have. If you plan on using the computer for the next 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 years, if you know how to code, you can actually use the computer. You can build anything. You see all this stuff on my screen, dude? I got the chat. I got the orders coming through. I got the liquidations coming through, dude. I can build anything now. And I wasn't able to build anything 4 years ago. I was just an idea guy. So if you're an idea guy, this is the time. Most developers out there, most quants out there, they don't have ideas. They're just nerds in the shed, dude. They're nerds in the shed with no ideas. But you're an idea guy. And we got AI now, dude. So you can code anything. RBI, research, backtest, and then implement. Today I've got a couple things I want to build, and I want to show you how I just build this off from my laptop. I got a little laptop right here, and you can do the same thing, even if you don't know how to code. I did not know how to code before this, and I'll keep telling you, go here, dude, and just say, hey, boom, please teach me how to code in Python. Give me all of the first concepts. Let's go over those step by step. AI literally teaches you how to code. I've got a few different things I want to build out today. We're going to start here with interactive brokers. Interactive brokers is just an exchange. You can see AI will show you exactly how to code. I also have a YouTube video that shows you how to code. It's like a 3-hour video. It's 100% free. It's fire. Shows you step by step how to code in Python. I think one of the hardest things to figure out is what language do I learn to code in. In my opinion, it's Python. No other language is needed. Yo, better claim. What's up? 777, dude. Good to see you, bro. Much love to you guys. 777, dude. Let's get it. Okay, so first things first, I want to go into my interactive brokers bot here and say, we got a bunch of backtests here. So the RBI system, I'm just following the same thing that I show you every single day. I'm either researching, backtesting, or implementing in the bots. Now I've been doing this for 4 years, so I jump around between the R, B, and I.
Bro, just keep going. Let them find out who it was. They gonna be on you.
But you can find, content of me doing the researching, the back testing, and the implementing all for free on YouTube. There's literally no other algo trader or quant out there that gives as much value as I do. So I hope you enjoy it. Lock in or lock out. Either way, much love to you. Let's go ahead into the interactive brokers, and I want to build this. I want to build a leap leap.py. So I do not like options. I don't think they're a good thing for humans to trade. But I am curious now that I'm over on interactive brokers. What about leaps? Leap, leap option strategy. Now I am totally ignorant to this, whether algos can do well with leaps, but I know humans always, I mean, at least the stories I've had personally and the people around me, those leaps turn into short-term options real quick. So that's the thesis. Hand traders can't really trade options very well because they always turn into short-term options. Leaps are a solid way to get a little bit of leverage. It's just hard to do as a human. So I'm going to use interactive brokers here in order to build out a leap strategy that can go long or short. Okay, so that's the premise, dude. And that's the first thing I'm going to do. I have some other things I want to build here today as well. So we got a lot and we're going to stay locked, dude. We're going to stay locked. Stay locked, dude. Okay, so first things first. We probably want to import all of these here. Let's look at the market orders here because this is how you set up market order. And let's see if I can get my docs in here, dude, because that would be fire. Let's say at docs. I would love to get the interactive brokers docs in here. Okay, let's go to settings here. Settings. Cursor settings. And model. Features, maybe. Docs. OpenAI. Add new doc. Okay, so it's weird because I keep adding this interactive brokers one through the other way, and it doesn't allow me to do it. So IBKR documentation. Grok 3, you like Grok 3? What you like about it, dude? What you like about it? Are you finding it better than other solutions? Is it better? Talk about Rust language. This ain't a jukebox, bro. This ain't a jukebox. It's not a jukebox, bro. IBKR. Okay, confirm. Okay, hopefully that stays now. All right, sick. So let's go to leaps here. And okay, there we go. Please build me a file that goes ahead and for any stock symbol I put in, it first grabs the option chain and has a constant up top of minimum months out, meaning, hey, we only want to look at chain options past this minimum months. I'm trying to build a leap strategy, LEAP, that will go ahead and only allow this algo to see and trade and roll far out options. So let's start with that concept, the constant. Let's keep that at the top of the file and start it at 4 months out. min months out, max wait time for option chain in seconds. Okay, let's see how this does. Okay, so here you can see I've created a leap option fetcher with the following features: set minimum months out equals 4 as a constant at the top of the file. Created a leap option trader class that connects to interactive brokers, fetches option chains for any given symbol. Set this up just like we set up our market order so we can have a switch of paper to live trading. Let's start it with the paper trading. So I've got a paper trading account here. I started learning all this stuff about 4 years ago. And I started with interactive brokers, but I haven't touched it since. I've been in crypto since. I use Claude 3.5 to code. It looks overwhelming, yes. I've been trying to get into Python for a while. Now coming from PineScript, but hesitant. Yeah, dude, bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Get off PineScript ASAP. Get to Python, dude. PineScript is, I don't want to say trash, but basura. No offense. No offense, TradingView or PineScript, but it is what it is. That's okay, guys. I've updated the leaps file to match the structure of the market order. Here are the changes. Okay. So we added this so I can have for example, Apple minimum months out for. Okay. Then I can have different ports here. Perfect. So we're using the paper trading account here, and that's fire. So you can see portfolio here. I'm long and short lumber. Honestly, don't know how to even get out of them yet. So say close. Order rejected. Okay. Well, it's paper count, so it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and see what this gets. Run it. Okay. So it looks like we got an error here. Looks like we got a bit of an error here, please. Thank you. Honestly, Shane, it's not. There's no documentation on it. And AI is super helpful with the language. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, dude. The problem with PineScript is the backtesting doesn't work. So it's just like no reason to use PineScript. You know? Yes, I see the error. The issue is within the error method. Okay. I made an update. Okay. Let's see what else you got, shorty. Review changes, accept. Bug here. Buck. 320 is happening because we're not providing a valid contract ID for the Apple. We need to first get the contract ID for the underlying stock before requesting its options change. Let's modify the code to handle this properly. They accept here. Um, okay, I see the issue. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's get it. Okay, there we go, dude. Exchange Gemini disconnected safely. Perfect. Pearl. Strike ranges. Okay, this is information that is interesting. I've got questions though. Strike price ranges. Found 11 expirations. Can you tell me what these different exchanges mean?
Yeah. Why they acting like they working? Why they acting like they working? They don't even put the work in.
Can you tell me more about this output and why there's multiple exchanges and how we can classify them? Just teach me a little bit. Like, how do we pick one? And how do we see the price for each of the options? It'd be great if you could print out the price as well for the options. It might get a little sticky. Use pandas if possible. And let's have a cap on the let's have a max months out as well. So right now it's 4, but let's have like 4 and 9. I'm looking for AI now. Curious if you use the Grok 3 or GPT-3. No, I haven't used Grok 3. No, is it good? I'm curious because it's voice automated, right? I just found your channel a few weeks ago. Nice, dude. We'll be joining the academy. Nice, fire, fire. Good morning, Robo. How are you, dude? Much love to you. All right, let's run it. Requested data requires additional subscription. Market data connections dialog for delayed market data is available. Damn, so I got to get the subscription. What do you think I should do here if I don't have the subscription yet? We have two options. Use delayed data free instead of real time. Request snapshot data, which has fewer restrictions. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to use delayed data simply because it's not moving a ton. And eventually when I get some cash into the account, then I will go ahead and use the other one. You have videos showing how to build an auto trading bot where it finds arbitrage opportunities, places the buys using funds from my wallet, uses gas fees from my wallet, and sells